guys, my name is Melvin. I just want to introduce myself to YouTube and the community of detailing. Not just detailing, but PPF, vinyl, tint, 12 volt. Anything you can really think of when it comes to customizing your vehicle, I've pretty much done. Or had the opportunity to learn exactly how to do it, or just help somebody. I think with this channel, I just want to help those who don't have the opportunity or don't know where to look. And if it lands on, hey, go to Melvin, see what he can get, if he can give you any tips. I try to be as organized as I possibly can. I do have OCD. And the last video I just showed everybody was just a small portion of what I've done in just about the past 3 years and a half. And I'm looking to do a whole lot more. So if you're interested in getting your vehicle done, feel free to DM me, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, even YouTube. Just leave a comment. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll go from there. We'll see where this journey takes us. If you're looking at this video right now and you're just like, well, what can Melvin offer? He doesn't have a lot out right now, and I know it'll compile over time. I was in the same boat as those of you who are looking through YouTube and trying to find an answer for every single one of the questions that you have. You kind of get addicted from learning what's the best solution for a soft paint, what's the best solution for a hard paint, what can you do to tires to make them look really nice, or take the ozone layer cover off of it so it can have that deep sheen, or a matte color. I'll talk about all that, and hopefully I can provide some answers for those of you who don't have them. And if I can partake in something bigger than just myself and help someone learn more about the craft, I'm not here to hold back any information. I just want everybody to enjoy detailing as much as I have. It's been a blessing. I found peace while doing detailing and all sorts of other jobs. So yeah, I just want to put some information out there, knowing that it might help one person, and I'd be very happy with that, and that would be a blessing in itself. So sit back, enjoy I don't know if it's going to be a show. I don't know if it's going to be just this one video, but let's go for it. Are we rolling? Rolling? Oh, we are? Okay.